As an employer connected with the University of Alaska in Handshake, you can proactively message students with public profiles. Your employer must have had at least one approved job posted to the University of Alaska in order to be able to message our students and alumni. After logging into Handshake, click Talent in the left-hand menu. Use the filters at the top to narrow down your search for students who might fit your recruitment needs. You can select skills that they have listed on their profiles, major groups, which school they attend, their school year, and more. Once you have found potential candidates, click the Message button. A pop-up message window will appear. You can customize your subject line, format your message, and invite them to apply for jobs or events you have posted in Handshake. There are messaging limits in Handshake to encourage more meaningful and intentional interactions with students. You will see how many messages you have left in the message box and can click on this link to learn more about the limits. Once you're ready to send the message, click Preview Message. Make sure everything looks correct and then click Send Message. You can visit your message threads by clicking on the message icon at the top of your screen. Click between Sent and Unread, Starred, or even search for the schools that you're messaging. You're ready to begin connecting with students. Watch our other videos in this playlist to learn more about posting jobs, registering for career fairs, and updating your company profile.